guys, hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is your favorite shopping haul video and my favorite as well. So recently I visited Commercial Street for shopping and I did some shopping for myself and also for my baby boy who is going to turn 2 very soon, probably in a couple of months. So yeah, in this video I'm going to share my shopping haul with you all. Without any further ado, let's get started. I'll quickly show you like what all I got for myself. I wanted some daily wear dresses for myself, so I got some 4 dresses, 4 kurtas or 4 long frocks, whatever you call it as, but all 4 are of different patterns and variety. So I got this in Commercial Street, Ibrahim Sahib Street. I'm not very sure about the location, address and so on. He gave me his visiting card. I think address is there in the card. I'll try to mention the address in the description box. It's a small shop but a new shop, and the best part about that shop is that they have all sizes available of various varieties, and they have sizes from 38 till 52. I really like the patterns which they had, and price was also affordable. If you get dresses from 38 till 42 size, then it's 500. If you get 44 size, it's 600. Like if you get 46 size, it's 700. Like that, it varies. So if you are someone who falls under exercise, then for sure or the kurtas which he has falls under 500 rupees category. So I got this pretty long kurta. This is how it looks like. I got this really long kurta from that shop, and it has the slits as well on both the sides, and also it has one front opening slit. This is like really long. You can easily pair this up with leggings and dupatta. It will look really beautiful. You can also pair this up with plazo, but more than plazo, it will look good on leggings. I have this green color leggings, so I'm going to pair this up with green leggings and green dupatta. Also, this dress has this front open buttons which you cannot open, but this is just for show. This is just for design purpose. And look at the sleeves. This is how the sleeves looks like, bell sleeves, and it's really pretty. Guess what? I got this dress only for 600 rupees, and like the material is so soft. It is really nice, and the fit is just awesome. The fit is really superb, and they have this stitching done at the back, which is perfect tailor stitch. You won't get this kind of stitch in any of the ready-made dresses, which is like which is something which I really love. And here also in front also they have this stitch. Okay, because of this stitches only, the size looks perfect and it's a perfect fit for me. It will be a perfect fit for you all, so please do give this a try. And it's a really nice dress for 600 rupees. Next dress which I got was this kurti. This is again a long kurti. It has side slit, and this is in the shade grey, and this is not zardosi work. This is a complete thread work, and again this has a show button in front, and this is also long. You can easily pair this up with plazo or leggings. It will look really nice. And this one I got only for 350 rupees, and the material is so soft. It is so good that anyone can get this easily for 350 rupees. The next one which I got was this long gown. This is how it looks like, and the sleeves is something like this. Okay, so this is how the sleeves pattern is. This is a complete long frock. It is an umbrella cut long gown, and you can easily pair this up with leggings or plazo. It will look really good with leggings and dupatta. I'm planning to pair this up with black leggings and black dupatta. This is again for 600. The material is really nice. It has a very good umbrella cut, and very much comfortable, soft, and very good for regular use. And I got this only for 600. I really like the floral print, and I also wanted it for a purpose. So yeah, I'll let you know like what the purpose is about. You will be able to find in my upcoming videos. And I really love this piece. It's really nice. And then the next one which I got is a winter wear, and it's a winter wear gown. This is how it looks like, and this is again umbrella cut gown, long gown in fact, and the material is perfect for winter wear. This is how the material looks like. It is perfect for a winter wear. Here as I'm in Bangalore, here the weather keeps changing and we are nearing winter. We are almost there in winter, so it's going to be really helpful for me. And this is like really nice. And look at the front design. It has this buttons over here. It is again a show button. It's again show buttons, and yeah, this is how it looks like. You can also use this as a western wear. You need not pair this up with leggings or dupatta. If you want, you can just use this as a western gown. It is like really nice. And guess what, I got this only for 350 rupees. Umbrella cut gown only for 350 rupees, that too XL size. Yeah, so I think you all should give this a try. So those were the 4 dresses which I got for myself, and I'm really happy that I got a different patterns this time, and I got different varieties. So happy with whatever I have got, and I got all the 4 dresses just for 1900 rupees. 350 May I got 2 dresses, 2 beautiful dresses, and the other 2 dresses I got for 600 each, which I feel like really worth. Please do check the address in the description box and visit that shop. You will not regret going there. You will definitely get something for yourself. And also, if you are someone who is looking out for plus size, then please do check out. Then I also got one long t-shirt for myself from Tech Smart, which is again there in Ibrahim Saib Street. And in my previous Tech Smart haul video, I already showed you one t-shirt which I got for myself. It was in pink and navy blue color. This time I got the similar one. I was actually searching for the same same design because I really liked it. And 100 rupees mein who gives you a plus size t-shirt, that too a long t-shirt, right? So I badly wanted to buy 2 more so that I can wear it at home, for regular use, but they did not have the collection, and I luckily found out one piece, and it was in this shade. This is cream colored t-shirt with black sleeves, and this is a plus size t-shirt because I prefer wearing plus size when it comes to t-shirt, because I want something loose for daily wear. And this is a long t-shirt. See how long it is. It will easily come till your knee. So I got this only for 100 rupees. Very good t-shirt, very nice and soft material, just like the normal t-shirt material. And you can easily use this for everyday use, and also price is so reasonable. You can pair this up with night pants, you can pair this up with plazo, you can pair this up with skirts, you can also pair this up with patiala pant. It will look really beautiful. I used to pair this with I used to pair these kind of t-shirts with plazo, obviously, because plazo gives you a kind of skirt feel. So yeah, if you visit TechSmart, do check out these kind of t-shirts just for 100 rupees. Worthy. So I really hope you found this video helpful and also interesting. If so, please click on to the like button, give a thumbs up, do leave a comment as which was your favorite one among all the dresses which we got, and also subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and also click on to the bell icon to receive notifications. Only when you click bell icon, you will get notified whenever I post any videos, and you will not be able to miss. So stay tuned for more such videos. Until then, see you. Allah Hafiz.